Hello, and welcome to this short video tutorial on linking Vantage to your Canvas course shell. If you like to organize your course by assignment type, this video is for you. Okay, let's begin by creating a module to house all of our video assignments. To do that, we're going to go into the navigational left-hand side bar. I'm going to click on modules, and now we're going to add a module by clicking on the plus module blue button. And here's my module name. I'm going to call it Vantage Video Activities. And now I'm going to add that module. So after I've added our module, you'll see we have a module header here, and there is a plus sign. We're going to select the plus sign, add the external tool, and there's an add an assignment button here, but this is a pull down menu. We're going to go choose the external tool. So these steps that we're going to go through, you're going to do these over and over again anytime you want to add a module and add assignments inside that module for Vantage. So I'm going to choose the external tool, and now I'm going to scroll down and search for my external tool for Sage Vantage. Your LMS administrator names your tool, so I'm not exactly sure of what it's going to say or how it's going to be named, but you're going to look for something that's going to say something like Sage Vantage or Sage Vantage LTI Selector or just Vantage. I'm going to select mine, and now I'm going to choose my course. You'll only have to do this once. If you just have one, you may not even have to do that. You can sort by all chapters, so you can choose chapter 1 if you wanted to do that. That way, that's in another tutorial. You can do it by all assignment types, all assignments, and then now you can do resource types. So this video is on resource types. I'm going to click on the all resource type pull down menu here, and I'm going to choose video activity. And now it's going to put all our video activities from chapter 1 all the way through the end of the textbook all in one place. And I can only for this exercise, because we're going to do all the video activities for all the chapters in this module, I can select all. And the very first checkbox that we selected is the link to the course. So this puts the links for all of these video activities inside of my Canvas module that says video activity. And then the second checkbox is the grade sync. This tells Vantage to send the grades to my grade book into Canvas. So again, the first link is the link is put inside of your Canvas module. So the students click on that link and go straight to the video activity. And then the grade sync, the second box tells Vantage to send the grades to your grade book in Canvas. Now, anything that we grade sync, we'll put a column in the grade book in Canvas and also put an assignment in the assignment area in Canvas. And I will show you both of those at the end of this tutorial. Okay, we have a continue button at the top and one at the bottom. Either one is fine for you to click continue. If there was a chapter that we didn't do, I could unselect. So if I didn't teach chapter 12, I could select all and then unselect these. And it would, if I unselect the button, it'll unselect the second one. Now I'm going to click continue. And then now here are all my Vantage video activities. I have chapter 1, and I can double check to make sure that they're all here through chapter 14 and click continue because they're all there. I'm going to be patient and let it think, and then it's going to go into my module. So here are all my video activities all in one place. We can go ahead and let's do another type of activity. So we'll do chapter quizzes. So I'm going to go in here and click on my module, and then I'm going to do Vantage chapter quizzes and add that module. And again, we're to go in, if I scroll down, I'm going to go to that module header. I'm going to click on the plus sign, add the assignment. It's a pull down menu. We're going to go to external tool, find our tool, select that. And then this time I will choose chapter quizzes. In the all resource type, I'm going to do the same thing. And only because it's all of the chapter quizzes all in one place will I say select all. It's going to choose my link to course and then also the grade sync for all of the chapter quizzes. I can scroll down just to make sure that they're all here and click the continue button. And now I'm going to click the continue button again. And here are all my chapter quizzes. Now to go in, do a little bit of housekeeping, you will see the assignment type here. If you put in chapter readings, you're just going to see the links. But let's go here and click on the chapter quiz. There's a couple of housekeeping things that I want to show you. Right now it's going to load the chapter quiz inside of a little box inside of Canvas. So if you want to get the students to have a better reading experience, I always like to go to edit assignment settings, select that. Now you could do this in the assignment area as well. It's up to you how you want to do it or where you want to edit it. And then check the box that says load this tool in a new tab, the submission type. And then you're going to scroll down and you can at least either save and publish or save. I like to wait and publish mine when I finish my course. So I'm going to click and say save, but you can save and publish if that's what you wanted to do. And now when I click the load the chapter 1 quiz in a new window button, it's going to open up in a new tab and my students will have a better reading experience. So they're not reading inside that little bitty box inside of Canvas. And so here is opened in a new window. Lastly, I'm going to show you the grade book. Every time we put a grade sync in, it's going to create a column in your grade book. And you also do need to make sure, and I'll show you this in the assignment area, that in everything in the assignment is published in the assignment area so that the grades will flow. So here are all my video activities. I'll put those in first. And then I'm going to see all of my chapter quizzes because I'll put those in second. And they're the chapter quizzes. Now let's go back and we're going to click on the assignment area and I'll show you how everything will fall in here as an assignment. Again, you can come in here and edit this way. Click on more options after you click on the three little ellipses and then scroll down and check the box that says load in the new tool. And the same thing, you can save and publish. If you save and publish, then that eliminates one more step. You can go in there or you can publish the whole entire group all at once, however you want to do that. Thank you so much for joining me. Thank you and have a great day.